Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to fix Wi-Fi and Ethernet adapter problems in Windows 10. The first option is go to the start menu and right click and select device manager, or in your search bar type device manager and hit enter. In this new window, select this option, go to the network adapter and select your network adapter for your motherboard name. For example, LG, Asus, MSI or Aorus, whatever. Right click and select the first option, update driver, and select the first option, new. Search automatically for drivers. If you receive any setup or wizard, click on next, install, and you show this message: the best driver for your device already installed. Repeat this process in all network adapters. Go to the network adapter, right click and select update driver. Select the first option and next, install. The best drivers for your device already installed. Click on close, and to apply the change, close this window and go to the start menu and select restart. And wait a moment. Login in your desktop. And you show this connection. You can try the second option. Go to the start menu and type restart or network reset and hit enter. And you can try this you can try this option, reset now, and click on yes. Click on close and go to the start menu and select restart. This is the second solution. Wait a moment. Login in your desktop. In this prompt, select yes or no, and you can show your network connection here. And for example, go to the any web page and try your network connection. Go to my personal channel and you can show any video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.